See, next we're discussing the topic is change of state. Change of state. See here, matter can be classified. Matter can be classified into three states. See, that is the solid, liquid, and gas. What is the three states? Solid, liquid, and gas. Two common changes of states. So change means the one state to taken the another state. So there is a two common changes of states are solid to liquid and liquid to gas. So what is the changes by the solid to liquid or liquid to gas will be changes. That is called as the change of state. The next discussing about latent heat. Latent heat. See, the amount of heat observed are given out of unit mass substance during change of state. During change of state means the solid state to convert into a liquid state or liquid state is converted to the gaseous state. See, that is called as the latent heat. The first we say the ice. The ice is nothing but a solid state. Now heat is supplied to the system. It is converted to the water. That means it's a change of its state. The which of state is the liquid state. The solid to liquid. Now heat is continuation we can apply by there. Now it is a vaporization. Vaporization means that is the gas state. That is also converted liquid to gases of state. That during that change of state, what is called is the latent heat. See, the latent heat is denoted by the L is equal to latent heat is equal to amount of heat by unit mass. Amount of heat by unit mass. Now write is SI units. Now SI units. The heat is measuring in a joule by the mass is nothing but to kg. Write in the CGS unit. In CGS unit, the joule is nothing but to say the calorie by kg. Kg is nothing but to say the gram. Now it is the constant values are there. Constant values are there. The latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of fusion. Fusion of ice. See, this is the constant value 80 gram. 80 calorie per gram. 80 calorie per gram. And also latent heat of water. Latent heat of water. It vaporization. That is the value is there, the constant value 540 calorie per gram. 540 calorie per gram. Next, we're discussing about the topic is three phase of matter. Three phase of matter. Already we saw the change of state. In change of state, what is that? The matter can be classified into three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Now here, the substance can exist. The substance can exist in three states called solid, liquid, and gaseous phase at different temperature and pressure. Different temperature and pressure. Now we take the example here. See what is taken by the other? Taken the example. See here, the first we taken by the example for the when ice. What is taken by the ice? See the ice initially what is the state is there in a solid state. Solid state. Solid state. Now the heat is supplied to this ice. So what is it? The heat is supplied to this ice. Now it is slowly melting. Melting is convert into water. Where is converted to either? The ice is converted into water. We can apply the heat. We can apply the heat. See, now when apply the heat, there is a slowly melting. There is can be convert ice to water. Ice to water. See this process of changing solid phase to liquid phase is known as melting. Is known as the melting. Now, say you can write here that this is the ice is convert into what is there here the water. Is convert into water. Now this is the heated. Now when the cooled, now water is converted into the cooled, then the water is converted into the ice. See, then we can write here the statement. What is it? The process of the process of changing in state, change in what is there when heat is applied to the ice is converted into water. See, the process of changing the solid phase into the liquid phase. So what is the process of changing the solid phase into liquid phase is known as melting. What is called as the is known as the melting, or also say the melting point. And the same, this water is the cooled. This water can be cooled, is converted into the ice. That is called as the freezing. What is called as freezing? That is called as the freezing. Say the process of changing the liquid phase into the solid phase is called fusion. What is called this? Fusion. Now this is when the solid to liquid is converted, it is called as the melting. But the liquid to convert of the solid, what is called this? Fusion. What is called this? Fusion. Now this water, the further we can the increasing of its temperature. The water is the further we can increasing of temperature up to 100 degrees centigrade. Now it is converted into the steam. See, that is the water. The water we can the heated, it is converted into the steam. The water is converted into steam at 100 degree centigrade. Now when it is cooled, the steam is converted into the water. When heat is, the water is converted into the steam, and when the cooled, the steam is converted into the water. Now this process, the process of changing the liquid phase, into the gas or vaporization, gas phase is known as boiling point. What is called as is known as the boiling, or also say the vaporization. What is called this? Vaporization. Now the process of changing the gaseous phase into the liquid phase is known as condensation. What is the other? Condensation. So condensation is nothing but it is converted into the liquid to gases. Gases to liquid. Now here the boiling is nothing but what is that? It is convert of water to steam. There is a boiling, or also nothing but is called the vaporization. Now observing for this diagram for any the three phases solid, liquid and gas. The solid to liquid is converting called the melting, and liquid to gases is converting called the boiling, and the liquid to solid is the conversion called the fusion. Fusion is nothing but is form of ice, and is convert into gases to liquid is called the condensation. And now the process of changing solid to gases is called as the sublimation. What is called this as sublimation. Now the gases to solid, the process of changing the gases to solid is called as the R force. Now this is how the three phase of the matter.